Hey, welcome back. Nokia's Q4 and full year report is out and I thought it was very interesting, so here is a summary. We see a good quarter with a strong performance and profitability in pretty much everything, and the year overall was not bad given the environment. They made 2 billion in cash flow, but about 700 million is thanks to a one-time divestiture and other non-recurring events. They recently cut the net cash target to allow them to focus on investing even more in R&D and acquisitions, of which they did 3 so far and will probably keep doing them. I think a very interesting and good focus right now is on data centers, which they plan to generate an additional 1 billion in revenue for IP networks by 2028. So they would be one of the key companies benefiting from the infrastructure behind AI on top of 5, 6G and other long-term trends. The outlook was also positive, which is something the market really needed to hear. They also increased the dividend by about 17% and the buybacks continue, although one of them might have to be cut next year, probably the buybacks. However, what's, I think, the main attraction is that they are finally reaching their previous long-term targets. If you remember or watch my previous videos, I mentioned this 50 to 80 something percent cash flow conversion rate as a target that was delayed by about a year. On the expected 1.9 to 2.4 billion profit, that's 0.95 to 1.92 billion next year. It isn't terrible at all for a 20-something billion market cap, but combined with some growth thanks to 5G, data centers, AI and so on in the long term, this can get to very low levels. Obviously, the market would probably adapt, meaning we can see some 50, 60, 100% or even more depending on how they develop. Next year, they expect to reach the original long-term targets, which are even better than 2025. Financially, the company remains in a very good position, among the best in the industry, with the current assets almost covering the total liabilities. The equity is very similar to the market cap, which is, again, exceptional for a tech company. I mean, just the IPs of Nokia Technologies, which aren't on the balance sheet, produce like $1 billion per year in profit with a 70-something% margin, so that by itself could easily be worth 10, 15, 20 billion. So overall a very solid company that's on the right path to improve. Very strong balance sheet, great margins, management, potential to grow. If you want to support the channel and see if and when I buy this again, check out the Patreon link below. I think this can deliver some double-digit returns on average in the future, especially with the dividends and buybacks. As always, what I cover in my videos shouldn't be enough for you to make any investment decision, so please do your own research before investing in anything. If you want to see more videos like this one, please leave a like and even a comment to help me out, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.